Class 2 students, welcome to the next session of chapter 8, that is multiplication, and today I am going to explain the multiplication facts. Let's see what is the multiplication fact and what are the uses of it. Students, you can see I have drawn the candies like this. So this is a group of 3, another group of 3. So you can write 3 plus 3, right? This 3 plus 3 is 6. But can you also write this in the multiplication form? Yes, we can. How? 2 multiply 3 equals to 6. Right. Another group is also there, but in this group we have only two candies of 3 group. So 2 plus 2 plus 2 equals to 6. And what is the multiplication form of that? How can you write in the multiplication form? In the multiplication form, you can write 3 multiplied by 2 equals to 6. So student, after writing these in the multiplication form, I have observed one thing: the numbers are the same, but they are in different order. So student, this is the multiplication fact. 2 multiplied by 3 is equals to 3 multiplied by 2. Why? Because in both the cases the answer is 6. If they are equal, it means the left hand side is also equal, and this is the first multiplication fact. This is also called the turn around fact, when we are changing the place of the digits but still they are same, the answer is right. So this is the first multiplication fact. Only the places are changed of our digits. Student, another multiplication fact is multiplication by 0. So let's take an example. Suppose I have a group of 3 zeros. When we add, the answer is 0. And this is a multiplication fact. How can you write in the so this is addition. How can you write in the multiplication? 3 groups, 3 multiply the number which is repeated. 3 multiplied by 0, but the answer is again 0. So you can also write 0 multiplied by 3. What we are doing, we are changing the order. This is the first multiplication fact we have learned. We can change the order of a number, but still the answer is same. So student, what you have observed here, when a number is multiplied by 0, the answer is always 0. This is the second multiplication fact. Either number is in the first place and 0 in the second place, the answer is 0. In the second, maybe the 0 is on the first place and the number is on second place, still the answer is 0. So there are two facts. The first is a turn around fact, in which only the digits are changed, the place, the places are changed of our digits. And the second fact is when a number is multiplied by 0, the answer is always 0. Now the next topic is multiplying one digit number by another one digit number by using multiplication table. This multiplication table, the trick I already explained in my previous video, and I hope you use that trick and form all the tables, and I must know you already learned the tables. Then for that you need, okay, right, so let's start. What is this? This is both are the 2-digit number, 2 multiplied by 2 and 5 multiplied by 2. So student, as we done in the subtraction and addition, we are writing the number in the vertical form. Here also we are writing them in, but before that, write the places. This is the first part. Ones and tens place. Make one box as we have done in the addition and subtraction. This is a 2-digit number. Write both the numbers on the ones place and put the multiplication sign here. Right. The number written here, this is multiplicand, multiplier, and then the product. So start speaking the table of the multiplier, whatever the multiplier here, that by chance both the numbers are same, multiplicand and multiplier both are same, but whatever the numbers, you have to start with the second digit, which is the multiplier given here. So 2 times 2 equals to 4. This is a single digit number. The answer is also a single digit number. So this tens place is blank here. No problem, student. Let's start doing the second part. Right, again you have to write ones and tens place. but the numbers are one digit number, write the same number here, the first number on the as a multiplicand and the second number as a multiplier. So you have to always start with the second digit. You have to start table of 4. So 4 times 1 equals to 4, 4 times 2 equals to 8, 4 times 3 equals to 12, 4 times 4 equals to 16, and 4 times 5 equals to 20, and 20 is a 2-digit number. So student, write 0 on the ones place and 2 on the tens place. That's why I am writing the ones in 10th place. So this is the way how to multiply one digit number by another one digit number. Student, this is the last topic of this chapter, that is problem solving and multiplication. Problem solving, in this word problems are there, and let's see what is the word problem. First we have to understand, and then we see which number we have to multiply here. So Hari reads 3 pages of a book every day. Every day Hari completes 3 pages of a book. How many pages do he read in 8 days? If he have 8 days, so how many pages he had read? So we can write this question in 2 ways. There are 2 numbers are given. You can write 3 on the ones place, because the number of pages read in 1 day, and the number of pages read in 8 days. You can write 8 on the as a multiplier. So either you can read the table of this number or this number, any number you can start the table of any number and you got the answer. Another way, you can also write this number as in the vertical form we have already discussed, ones, tens, and like 3 and 8, right? So again, you can start the table of 8 or either of 3. You can, the choice is yours. Students will try to use this, always start with the table with the second number. So 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16, 8 times 3 equals to 24. So 4 and 2 on the tens place. So 24 is the answer. So Hari reads 24 pages in 8 days. Right? I hope you understand how to understand the problem, how to do the calculation. And student, this is my, again I just advise you, start learning the tables, because this is very important. If the tables are not learned, it's very difficult for you to do any question. I hope you understand all the things that we have already discussed here. Problem solving is there, multiplication fact we have discussed, how to the trick is there, how to build the tables. So that's all for the today's session. Thank you students. Stay home, stay healthy.